A few easy steps before, during and after using your roller sleeve will help you achieve impressive results and extend its lifespan. Before the first use, pre-wash fabric rollers with the appropriate thinner for your coating to remove the excess lint. For water-based coatings, use water. For solvent-based coatings, use the coating manufacturer's recommendations. For best results on each use, pre-wet fabric rollers with a suitable thinner and remove excess to leave in a damp state that will accept more paint. Avoid using water-based and solvent-based coatings with the same roller sleeve. After use, firstly, remove any excess paint. Wash using the appropriate thinner. Avoid using hot water and leaving to soak. Never use citrus cleaners, washing machines, or apply direct heat. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and remove excess with a clean towel. Spin to shape, stand on end to dry naturally and away from direct heat. Once dry, place in a cover or bag and always store in a dry, dust-free place.